Today on Garage Guru TV, we'll add the final carbon fiber accent to the engine bay of our 2011 Camaro Project Vehicle with this carbon fiber radiator cover from Anderson Composites. Hey, this is DJ Martin from Garage Guru TV. If you've ever been to our channel before, you'll notice that we love the look of carbon fiber on our 2011 Camaro SS Project Vehicle. It accents the Inferno orange very nicely. A lot of these products come from Anderson Composites, a company from Southern California that manufactures and designs carbon fiber pieces for many modern muscle cars. Today on this episode, we're going to be installing their carbon fiber radiator cover, which will accent well with our Spectre Performance engine dress-up kit in carbon fiber. Let's take a look at the tools needed for this install. The Anderson Composites 2010 to 2015 Camaro carbon fiber radiator cover is a must-have addition for any 5th generation Camaro. The covers feature the same Anderson Composites quality and utilizes the factory mounting points, push pins, and hardware for a painless, quick, and worthwhile installation. For this installation, you'll need a flat blade screwdriver, a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, a T30 Torx bit, and a 10mm socket. To start the install, you'll need a T30 Torx bit, and you're going to want to remove the 2 screws that are right next to the hood latch mechanism. Once you remove the 2 T30 Torx bolts, grab a 10mm socket and remove the 4 10mm bolts up top, and then grab a flat blade screwdriver and unclip the 6 push pins on the bumper cover. Once you have the old stamped steel piece out, you're going to want to put in your carbon fiber one. Make sure not to scratch it. You can pull up on the bumper cover right here to give yourself a little bit more room when going over the latch mechanism. You'll want to install all the original hardware onto the carbon fiber piece, but make sure not to torque it down too tight. This is carbon fiber and it can crack pretty easily. With all the old fasteners in, you'll now want to install the bottom parts of the push pins into the front of the bumper cover. And then install the tops. Well, with just a few basic hand tools and a little bit of elbow grease, we finally tied together the engine compartment of our 2011 Camaro SS with the carbon fiber radiator cover from Anderson Composites. If you want to see what they have for your model muscle car, check out AndersonComposites.com. Thank you for tuning in to Garage Guru TV. I'm going to go hit the cars and coffee and show off the new engine bay.